the best day on the run so far.
The mountains are beautiful, the curves are wonderful. Coming through there, you just felt like you're coming through history, you know. One of the neat things about riding an old motorcycle is when you're riding along, you're thinking, I'm riding a 1927 Indian through this area of the country. How lucky am I?
Never been around here before. It's wonderful, great, wonderful people. I'm having a great time.
Today we climbed over a mountain pass. Been a wonderful scenery and riding and really nothing but fun.
Where are we? We're at Cody, Wyoming.
We're in Cody, Wyoming at the Irma Hotel, which is Buffalo Bill Cody's hotel he built for his daughter. And we're showing off our motorcycles and having a great lunch, courtesy of Beartooth Harley Davidson. It's been a great ride, and looking forward to going into Yellowstone this evening.
Very beautiful area, but for me it's very hard to go because Sunbeam is a little bike.
Well, along around the 9th day, I begin to ask myself exactly the same question, where am I? But fortunately, we've arrived at the end of Stage 9 at the Yellowstone Lake Lodge.
And it's beautiful. Today was the best riding day that we've had the whole trip.
Oh man, beautiful, beautiful. That was probably one of the best sections we've had. Each section keeps getting better.